Hi, I would like to take a few minutes to give you the answers to pages 32 to 34. Our goal is I can identify linear and non-linear functions. So I think we went through the click and drag yesterday. So if you need those answers still, here they are. Don't be shy. Use these as you're going through maybe your content quizzes or the rest of these notes. That's why we do them. Like, use your notes. Okay, so when we look through here, we were going to see if this was a linear or nonlinear. So we have x squared. So -2 times -2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we'll type in a 5 down there. -1 squared, -1 times a -1 is a +1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 squared is 0, plus 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5. So then you have these points, and you'll go through and you'll click and drag. So you take a point and click on -2, +5. Click on another point, click and drag it to -1, +2. Then you have 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 5. So you're going to see that it's going to make this U shape here. And this is called a parabola. You'll work with those a lot more in Algebra 1. So now we know by the equation that it's nonlinear because it had an exponent. We know by the table that it's nonlinear because the rate of change is not the same each time. Like here it went down 3, here it went down 1. Then it went up 3, and then it went up, I'm sorry, there it went up 1, and there it went up 3. So the table did not have a constant rate of change. And the graph wasn't in a straight line. So you could use any of 3 of these as your reason why it's nonlinear. On the next one, if you take 1.5 times -4, you get -6. -6 plus 2 is a -4. I just realized that I did it wrong on my other video. So hopefully by now I have corrected you. And if I haven't, I apologize. So 1.5 times -4 is -6, plus 2 is -4. 1.5 times -2 is a -3, plus 2 is a -1. 1.5 times 0 is 0, plus 2 makes y a 2. 1.5 times 2 is 3, and then plus your 2 is 5. And 1.5 times 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So then you'll go through, you click, and you drag. So you go to -4 to -4, -2, -1, 0, 2, 2, 5, and 4, 8. And so therefore, this time you will see that it's a linear equation. You know that it's linear based on the equation because it falls into y equals mx plus b. You can tell that it's linear from the table because there's a constant rate of change. It goes up 3, this goes up 2. Up 3, up 2. Up 3, up 2. So it always has the same rate of change. For every 3 that it goes up, it goes over 2. 3 over 2 is 1.5. And you know that it's linear based on the graph because these points are in a straight line. So I hope that helps, and please let me know if you have any other questions.